I train thousands of store owners to sell prepaid and offer prepaid, and how to initiate the conversation and how to make the most out of every transaction. If you're not making money from every transaction, you're leaving meat on the bone. You're throwing money out of the door. You're leaving a lot on the table and walking out. We don't want that to happen anymore. So if you own a repair shop, a cell phone repair shop, where you fix phones, computers, laptops, and all these things, you need to start offering prepaid. Why? Because prepaid wireless saving repair shops from closing. Your shop is suffering. Your income is less. Your competition is brutal. Everything in this industry is changing. You know that, I know that, everybody knows that. Look at the car industry. They're having a hard time right now. We're talking in April 2026. They are having a very tough time. You know why? Majority of them only one business, one line. You need to be the same thing. You need to change. You don't want to be the same thing. Repairs alone is not enough.